Alright, this video is going to be over Edpuzzle. I chose Edpuzzle because one of my colleagues uses it and I've always been curious about exactly how it works. In Edpuzzle you can create classes, so I have this physics class created already, but let's just go through creating a class, and you can connect it to whatever LMS you use at your school, and that way it will automatically grade these videos and quizzes you can create. So we'll just do a test one right here, so test, and I'll keep it as physics because that's what I primarily teach. And then you can go in and you can search and discover for videos, and you can search for videos, and a lot of this stuff has already had questions and stuff embedded into it, and so we can pick a video and we can now add that automatically adds it to our selection in our class, and then we can look and edit this video and we can see the questions, and we can well, and this one looks like it doesn't have any questions added to it already, so most of them, a lot of them do, but then I'll just show you how to add it, right? So you can add multiple choice question or a open-ended question. So like, what is 2 plus 2, 4 or 5, right? And then you select which one's the correct one and you can save that. And now you see that there's a dot here, and that's where that question is. And you can change where you want that question to pop up. And then you can continue.
They didn't
and
fully
you
understand what they were doing, so they couldn't
go somewhere else in the video and then create another one, maybe an open-ended question. Do you like this video? And save that. And of course the open-ended questions won't be automatically graded. Once you have that finished and you have your questions in there, you can then assign it to your class. You select the class, so I'm going to put it in that class with due dates and start dates when it's available, and then you can set things like, do you want to allow them to be able to skip ahead in the video? So you can turn that on and off. You can allow them to speed up the video, and then you can turn on closed captioning, which is always good. And then you just assign it, and now it's assigned to my class. Now I don't have any students in my class or anything, but it should be in there. If I go back to my class, we have this activity set up and assigned. And like I said, there's a lot of pre-made videos. Like here is one that already has a whole bunch of questions embedded in it. So you can choose to keep their questions and just use something that somebody else has created. So it's a good time saver for going out and just grabbing videos that have questions already embedded into them.